going on, people? Welcome back to the fourth dimension. It's a lovely day out here. It's pretty cold, but it's still a lovely day. We got a lawyer right here. We're gonna change her cabin air filter. I know it's a little dirty down there. Don't you worry about that. You know, K&N needs to make a cabin air filter for the 7th Gen Maxima. K&N, what are you doing, man? Why? I need a rewashable filter. I'm trying to save me some money, man. I'm gonna have to change this filter out every 12,000 miles because K&N don't want to make no washable air filter for the Maxima. Anyway, show you guys how this is gonna go down. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's probably easier to take this off to get back there to that air filter. Because, yeah, you can take off that panel and stick your hand back there, but then you gotta squish the filter and pull it out. And your hand, depending on how big your hands are, it's gonna be a little difficult. So, we got this Bosch premium cabin air filter. It's a HEPA air filter. We're gonna see how this works out. There's your part number, 6053C, 6053, I don't know. Bosch is a very good brand. Pull that panel out just like that. Get my flashlight so I can show you guys. You got a clip right here. Oh man, you see that clip right there? You're gonna press that down. Press it up, I mean. No tool needed. Pull it out. Air filter's up in there. You kind of gotta squeeze the filter so you can get a grip on it. You pull it out. Give me the filter, girl. There you go. It's kind of a hard spot, you know. It's easy to get to, but it's a hard spot. Now, this filter is dirty. Look at it. You can see this dirt. Look at all that dirt. There's bugs and stuff, bug wings. Let me tell you where that's from. You travel a lot, you go on the highways, you've been on vacation lately, change your cabin air filter. That's where that dirt came from. Because I checked this filter yesterday. I actually bought the wrong part, to be honest with you. I bought a K&N engine air filter, but I wasn't reading. I thought it was a cabin air filter. And I went and I smacked it like this on the trunk of my car, and a whole bunch of dirt and shit came out. Let's get a little sniff on it. Smells burnt. Smell like stink bugs and shit. Let me open this Bosch real quick. Look at this. Easy difficulty, 18 minutes of installation time. What the hell? Let's check out the sizes. It's about the same size, yeah. Pretty much the same size. I'm not gonna lie, I opened this package and it smells good. Smells like healthiness. That's what it smells like. This filter dirty as hell. People, check your cabin air filters, check your engine air filters. And cabin air filters is gonna help you breathe better, especially if you're having problems or you're wearing a mask while you're in the car. You gotta get this stuff cleaned out, man. I got a vacuum because that came from my cabin air filter. All that dirt up there came from the cabin air filter. Some of this stuff down here came from the cabin air filter. Some of it came from someone else's shoes. But look at all this stuff up there. And there's more stuff in the garage and on the filter itself. So change your stuff. It's gonna help your car breathe better. It's gonna help your engine breathe better. It's gonna help you breathe better, god damn it. And you are important, just like your vehicle. So pretty much you're gonna have to maneuver this back up in there, stick it up in there, and that's about it. There's nothing, well, I guess I could do a little smell test after I put it in there, so I'm gonna do that. Be right back. Alright, so once you're done, you got everything in there, you put your clip back on, don't forget that. Put your panel piece back on. If you had to take this off, or if you need to get more room, you got 3 screws down here. You got 2 in the back and 3 up here, and you're gonna pull this right off and you can disconnect the cable and it'll give you easier access to the filter. But like I said, you don't need any tools for this. But if you want to do it the other way, which honestly is probably easier, you get you an electric screwdriver or a drill. Take that panel right off. Take the glove box right off. We're gonna put this panel back. I'm gonna start the car back up, which it might take a minute to get a different smell. The car still smells like it's a new car, don't get me wrong. So one thing, if you're still watching at this point, if you're still watching, one thing, please check your cabin air filters, especially if you just bought a used car. Check your cabin air filters. I can guarantee you, CarMax or Carvana or Dodge dealership, whoever you bought that car from, I guarantee you that cabin air filter has not been touched and has not been changed. It's probably dirty. You don't know what the other person did while they was driving it. You just never know. So I'm gonna get a smell test in here, see if there's any type of difference. Most likely not, because like I said, it probably is gonna take a minute. But okay. Eventually, what? Trunk open. I opened my trunk. I don't recall doing that. Anyway, full blast. The heater's on since it's cold. Still blowing cold. Don't worry, you're not gonna get no check engine light or anything like that. Anyway, like I said, once it gets all the old stuff out of there, the old odor, and get all the stuff out the car, go ahead and vacuum your car. It's gonna smell. Keep your car smelling fresh, please. Change your cabin air filter, vacuum your car, whatever you need to do, and you straight. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.